What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get creases out of some Jordan 10s. I mean, I like Jordan 10s, but they ain't the best, you know. But I'm gonna show you how to get that. You see that deep crease in there? That done deep, but dang. Let me see. It ain't that bad though, but yeah, let's get it. Alright, so a few of the materials you'll need: some socks. I got a bunch of socks right here. I'm gonna try to stuff it. The socks is so you can stuff the shoe. So you can see that. I kind of get the crease out when you stuff the shoe with the socks. See, it did a little bit, but I didn't get it all out. Let me see. Stuff the shoe, stuff it real good. Then you wanna get you a towel, put it over the shoe. Get your iron, make sure it's hot. It's iron hot already, dang. Then I got a little cup of water. Pour it. You don't need a lot of water though. I say put a little bit. Put a little bit over where the crease is at. And you want to take the iron, and then you just iron it out. Boy, this thing is hot. Woo! Ooh, this shit dropping steam on me. What the? I didn't tell it to do that now. Turn that off. But yeah, you just iron it, just keep ironing it out. Alright, let's see how I look after that first little session. I ain't gonna cap, that iron must be too hot. I don't know what the... Alright, so first, you wanna make sure you stuff the shoe with some socks. I already put some socks in there. So you do that first, make sure it's stuffed real good. Then, take you a towel, put the towel over the shoe where the crease is at. Like that. It's already a little bit of water on the towel, but yeah, you want to pour some water over the area that you're going to be ironing. Like that. You want to take the iron, make sure you got it on low heat. Cause, yeah, make sure it's on low heat. Then you just iron out the little crease.
Wow.
that water be getting through the rag. But yeah, let me keep going. Oh yeah, it worked a little bit. That's just a real deep crease though. That's a deep crease up in there. Right here.
Какая прелесть. Где черный пес? Какой? Здесь нет никаких собак. Запомните, будем бросить пить, скорость умрет. Слово «ром» его смерть для вас означает скорость умрет. Слово «ром» его смерть для вас означает огонь тоже.
Here's the results. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's my first time doing the iron and towel method. So if you enjoyed the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe.